Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Pikachu wearing a Charizard Poncho, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started with Pikachu's eyes. So we're going to start on the left hand side, drawing in a nice big circle. And then we're going to leave a gap coming across on the right hand side, replicating that. Now on the inside corner, we're going to draw in another circle right on the top. And then now from here, we're just going to color in our eyes black. Let's draw the nose right in the middle. So we're going to draw in a small curved line right in the center. And then we're just going to close that off with two small diagonal lines joining at a point. Again, coloring that in black. Now from here in the middle, we're going to bring this line out and then up on the left. And then we're going to do the exact same thing on the right hand side as well. Let's draw in the mouth of Charizard now on the top. So from the center, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to bring this line through on a diagonal again towards the side. Let's curve this line up and over. Now from here for the teeth, we're going to draw in two diagonal lines, creating a triangle on each side. Let's close off the mouth part of Charizard now. So we're going to curve this line down. We'll do the exact same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Now from here, we're going to curve this in at a point right in the middle. And then for the cheek, we're just going to draw in a half circle, curving that down. Now from here, for the nostrils, we're just going to curve this line up and out. Let's step up, closing off the side of the head here. We're going to curve this line down on a diagonal, connecting that line together. And then from here, we're just going to close this off from that corner, curving this in towards the middle of the chin. Now let's move up for the eyes on both sides. We're going to curve this line up. And then we're going to come across, curving this line up and over on a diagonal. Let's come out on the bottom, replicating that, ending that at the same width there. And then we're going to close off the side, curving this around and down. Let's move over on the inside now, curving this around and through towards the very top. Now as we come down on the left-hand side, we're going to bring this line up. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to round the top out, curving this around and then through on a diagonal again, joining that in towards the middle. Now again, let's bring this line up on a diagonal, curving that in towards the middle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right, joining that together. Let's come down right in the middle. We're going to draw in a nice big circle, curving that around and through. On both sides, we're just going to curve this line out, ending this at the exact same height. We're going to move up, adding in a small detailed line from that corner, curving this line out again. Now let's step up, lining that up at the same height, coming across. We're going to curve that through. And then now from here on the top, we're just going to bring this line out and then back in. Let's draw on the body first underneath. So for the arm, we're going to draw in a curved diagonal line coming down on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then from here, we're just going to draw in the thumb. Now we're going to draw in another triangle. Coming across again, let's replicate that. Again, one more time. And And then one last time, curving that out, and then we're going to bring that back through towards the top. Now underneath on the bottom, we're going to curve this line across. We're going to leave a gap on both sides, curving this around and through towards the cloak there. Now stepping in for the foot, we're going to curve this line around and through on the top. And then we're going to draw in 2 diagonal lines on the foot. Now from here, from the outside, we're going to curve this line in towards the side of the body. And then from that point again, we're going to curve this line back down. Now let's draw in the wings. So we're going to come down and then back up on a diagonal. We'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. Moving underneath, let's replicate that. So bringing that over and through, ending that at the same distance there. Let's come up. We're going to curve this line down. And then we're going to bring this line out and through towards the bottom. Now let's draw in a diagonal line coming in towards the middle. We'll do the exact same thing, stepping over. Again, we're going to bring this line down and then back up. And then one more time, we're just going to draw in a small diagonal line coming in towards the side of the body. Now on the top from that point, let's curve this line down. Now from here on the inside, bringing this diagonal line out. And then we're going to bring this line up towards the side. Let's draw in another diagonal line coming out. And then again, we're just going to bring this line up towards the top. And then we're going to close this off with a diagonal line. Now we're just going to draw in the tail. So underneath on the right, we're going to curve this line up and over. And then from that point, a diagonal line coming in. Now we're going to bring this line up and across again. We'll do the same thing, moving in towards the middle. And then one more time, coming up and over. Let's draw in a flame now. So on the top, we're going to curve this line up, down, and through towards the side. And then from that point, we're just going to curve this back around and underneath. Let's follow a similar shape on the inside. So we're going to curve this line up, down, and through. And then again, from that point, curving this around and then back in. And that is it. That's how you draw Pikachu wearing a Charizard poncho. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.